Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Elevate podcast. I'm Alex, and I'm really happy you are here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Olivia. This podcast is a calm and friendly place where you can practice real-life English.
No stress, no fast English.
Just slow, clear conversation you can understand and use in daily life.
Olivia, let me ask you something. Do you like going to the local market?
Yes, I do. I really like local markets. They feel real. They feel alive.
I agree. But for many English learners, local markets can feel scary.
Yes, so many people, so many voices, and you have to speak quickly.
Exactly. So today, we will help with that. Today's topic is how to speak English at a local market. Imagine you walk into a local market.
You see fruits, vegetables, clothes, and small shops.
The seller looks at you and says, "Hello."
You can smile and say, hello, or good morning.
Simple is good.
You see apples. You want to ask the price.
You can say, "How much is this?"
Or, how much are these?
If it's one thing, say this. If it's many things, say these.
Don't worry if you forget. People still understand you.
Now you want to buy something.
You can say, I want 1 kilo, please.
Or, "Can I have 2 tomatoes?"
Short sentences are perfect at the market.
One time, Olivia, I wanted onions.
Okay.
But I said I want 1 onion. Only one.
And you needed many.
Yes. The seller gave me 1 tiny onion. I was too shy to say more.
That's okay. Next time you can say, I want 3 onions, please. Sometimes you want to ask more.
You can say, "Is this fresh?"
Or, is this good?
Very useful sentences.
Now it's time to pay.
You can say, "How much is it in total?"
Or simply, how much?
When you give money, say, "Here you are."
And when you get something, say, thank you.
Sometimes the seller speaks fast.
That's normal.
You can say, "Sorry."
Or, can you say it again, please?
Never feel bad asking.
Now it's practice time. Please listen, pause, and repeat. How much is this?
"I want 1 kilo, please."
Is this fresh?
Thank you.
Market English is not about perfect grammar.
It's about communication.
People want to sell.
They want to help you.
Every time you speak, you become more confident.
Okay, Olivia, now we bought our vegetables.
Yes, the bags are full.
And my hands are tired.
Mine too. So what do we do next?
Now we need to go home.
We walk inside the house
We put the bags on the table.
and we take a deep breath.
Home feels good.
Now comes the fun part.
Cooking.
Let's see what we bought.
Tomatoes,
Onions
potatoes.
and some green vegetables.
What do you want to cook?
I'm thinking of a simple meal.
Yes, simple is best.
You can say, let's cook together.
Or, what should we make?
These are very useful daily sentences.
Last time I cooked,
Yes.
I forgot the salt.
Again?
Yes, every time.
So you can say, this needs salt.
Or, oops, I forgot the salt.
Cooking English is also daily English.
After cooking, We eat together.
We sit, we relax,
You can say, I'm hungry.
or this smells good.
Very natural English.
Then we plan the rest of the day.
Maybe you say, after dinner, I will rest.
Or I will clean the kitchen.
Real life, real English.
Let's practice again.
Listen, pause, and repeat.
I'm at the market.
Can you come here, please?
Let's cook together.
This smells good.
Thank you.
English is not only for classrooms.
English is for daily life.
The market,
The taxi,
the kitchen,
your home.
every small sentence matters.
Every time you speak, you grow.
Don't wait to be perfect.
Just be brave.
You are doing great.
And we are proud of you.
Local markets are the best place to practice English.
Real people, real life, real English.
Here is our question for you.
What do you like to buy at the local market?
Write one simple sentence in English in the comments.
And if this episode helped you,
Please like the video together and subscribe to the English Elevate podcast.